Hello everyone. Okay, so let's have a look at what we have done. And if you have watched our previous videos, then you would know what we have done here. So basically we had 10 frame hives, and because it's spring now, we have decided to split it. And our original plan was to split it into 10 other hives. So let's see what happened. So what you see here is one of the new, or two of the new splits, and these both have queens. So we bought some new queens from another apiary from the north, and so those have been queen. Now what you see in the background, the two on the left, trying to zoom in there, actually just one on the left, so that one has a queen, but the one next to it, the single one with a stone with a rock on the top, and the double one, those don't have queens, so they are the so-called walk-away hives. So what we did, we selected some nice frames, a good selection of frames with some young brood, with some nursing bees on them, and we selected a bit of nectar and whatever, and then we put them in there. What you see here, these are the old 10 frame hives. You also see on the left the double hive that doesn't have the queen. So those are also plastic hives. So they're really good for climate that is a bit more taxing on the wooden boxes. And we will see what happens. So these are the original 10 framers that we done the frames from. The interesting thing, and this is what you will find surprising, and we find surprising when we did it. We wanted to make 10 new hives out of these 10 framers, 10 new 8-frame hives. But, well, we ended up buying 12 queens and some under some circumstances. And since we have found some queen cells that we put into the um, walkaway hives, then we decided, and we ended up with 14 new 8-frame hives, some which we done double and some which we didn't. Now what you see there in the background, and I'm zooming on the left-hand side of the screen, you see those bottom boards that I have made. And if you watch other videos on this channel, you will see how I made them. You can see them 3 holes on them. Now, why are they stacked like that? Well, it's because we ran out of lids. So literally, we didn't have enough lids, so we had to stack on top of 2 double hives, 2 single hives. So we just put a covering, like an insulation paper that we had handy between the 2 hives. So like this, we're trying to save some space, and some another future time we will go back there and we will obviously remove those 2 singles and do everything properly, whatever we want. Now what you have seeing here, and I'm trying to zoom in again, these are the original 10 framers. Here is some other hives on the right hand side that we have split. So these all have queens, or have new queens. So as I said, from the 10 framers, we split 12 8-framers with new queens from another apiary from the north, and 2 walk-away ones, which we just used a nice selection of brood cells, some queen cells, and that's what you see on the left-hand side. Now here, because there is not so much food around, what we've done, and you can watch it on the other videos also, we mixed some white refined sugar, so processed sugar, and with a little bit of water, and we put it in the bucket. Now, the bees went absolutely crazy in it, and watch our other videos, subscribe, because you will see what happens. However, this is not the best solution. As you see that a lot of bees got stuck, mostly because the weather was so cold. All right, here we go. So watch out, subscribe, see ya.